Does this series converge or diverge? In this problem, we're being asked to determine whether the summation from n equals 1 up to infinity of natural log of n over n plus 1 converges or diverges. To do this, I'm going to start with a rewrite where I break down this general term using log properties into ln of n minus ln of n plus 1. Therefore, my partial sum s of n is equal to this. In writing up the terms, we end up with this. What I should be noticing here is that there are terms that cancel out. For example, negative ln of 2, positive ln 2, negative ln 3, positive ln 3. This would keep canceling out term, 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 and so on. When we come around to the back end, we get natural log of n minus 1 would cancel out with natural log of n minus 1. Negative ln of n, positive ln of n, we would see that these cancel out as well. And what we're left with is actually just the starting term, the ln of 1, and our ending term, negative ln of n plus 1. Note how, because these were just a difference of 1, that's why every other term is going to cancel right away. So I don't necessarily have to keep writing out more and more terms here to see that these cancel. I know that the last term of this expression and then the first term of this are always going to cancel out as we go along, which means there was this last term in this expression that we didn't write canceling out with the first term there. And this would repeat onward, okay? Therefore, rewriting our partial sum, we get the ln of 1 minus ln of n plus 1. We know ln of 1 is 0, so we're just left with negative ln n plus 1. Now that we know our partial sum, we can take the limit of it to determine the true sum. And in this case, we end up with negative infinity, which means that our original series from up here is equal to negative infinity, or that series diverges.